Jelly, did you hear that sound?
Yes. Hoot, hoot. Who could it be?
It's me, Mr. Owl. I hoot at night.
What's that sound? Up in the tree, who's flying around? Look, look, what a sight. Now it's Mr. Owl awake at night. Mr. Owl, who hoots at night? Up in the tree, what a lovely sight. With big round eyes and feathers so bright. So I watch the world till morning light.
Wow, Mr. Owl, how do you stay awake at night?
I'm nocturnal. That means I sleep in the day and wake up at night.
That's so cool. What do you see in the dark?
I see everything. My big eyes help me see even when it's dark.
What a sight. Now it's Mr. Owl awake at night. Mr. Owl, who hoots at night? Up in the tree, what a lovely sight. With big round eyes and feathers so bright. So I watch the world till morning light. Tell Mr. Owl, why don't you sleep? Why do you wake when the world is deep? I'm nocturnal, that's just right. So I love to play in the moon's soft light. Mr. Owl, who hoots at night? Up in the tree, what a lovely sight. With big round eyes and feathers so bright. So I watch the world till morning light. Flap, 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 I take my flight through the forest in the quiet night. I see far with my big bright eyes, gliding softly through moonlit sky.
Jolly, let's try hooting like Mr. Owl.
Hoot! Hoot!
Great job. Now it's my bedtime. See you next night.
Bye, Mr. Owl. Good night, Hooty friend.
Can we hoot like you tonight? Let's all try with all our might. Hoot, hoot, just like me. Go sing along and you will see. Mr. Owl, who hoots at night? Up in the tree, what a lovely sight. With big round eyes and feathers so bright. So I watch the world till morning light. Good, now it's time for me to rest. When the sun is up, I love it best. Good night, dear owl, sleep so tight. See you again in the moon's soft light.